Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best air compressors. There's a good chance you've probably been around air compressors without noticing them, but these helpful devices are handy for completing daily activities quickly and efficiently. Here's a list of the best ones money can buy. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth air compressor in our list is the Porter Cable Air Compressor, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Starting out strong in today's list is the Porter Cable Air Compressor, which is our portable powerhouse. This unit delivers quite a punch with a maximum of 150 pounds per square inch of tank pressure thanks to its 10-ampere motor, which allows for longer tool runtimes. Clearly, it's the ideal choice for nailers and other carpentry tools. With a 6-gallon tank capacity, despite its small and compact size, the Porter is built for stability while including a drive valve as well as rubber feet for extra grip. This device has built-in safeguards against overloading, making it ideal for use with no worries. It has an airflow rating of 90 pounds per square inch and a standard cubic foot per minute of 2.6, which makes it suitable for use with pneumatic tools. Upon testing, its rapid compressor recovery time and low amperage 120-volt motor rendered it simple to kick off even when the temperature was below freezing. And the oil-free operation of the pump makes it extremely long-lasting and low maintenance. The air compressor also includes a shroud, a console cover to protect vital components, and handles for effortless maneuverability. On top of that, the unit supports extension cords, which allows you to operate it even when away from a power plug. If it isn't obvious yet, the Porter is as versatile as they come, as it features 2 regulated universal couplers that allow you to operate 2 different tools simultaneously. In terms of size, the unit measures 17 by 17 by 18.38 inches and weighs 31.2 pounds, which makes it a conveniently portable model. Our team, however, finds some drawbacks to this unit. It operates a bit loudly and vibrates a lot due to its small size. These, however, will not affect its performance in any way. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who prefer a small but reliable machine to meet their workshop demands. The fourth air compressor in our list is the California Air Tools 15020C, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. The California Air Tools 15020C is designed for all-out power in the world of electric air compressors. It operates at a manageable 70 decibels, making it easy on the ears. Its 1,680 revolutions per minute motor contributes to this by producing less noise every time. There's also the oil-free dual piston pump performance that makes it the most robust yet low-maintenance air compressor on the market for an increased duty cycle and extended runtime. Aside from that, its oil-free pump also allows for cold starts as well as use on uneven terrain. For maximum ease of use, the air compressor features an easy start valve that allows it to use fewer starting amps. This leads to it releasing a small amount of air from the pump at startup in order to achieve a no-load condition to make the motor spin freely. As for the unit's capacity, it boasts a 15-gallon steel tank with a powerful 2-horsepower motor, which makes it the ideal choice for heavy-duty use. The manufacturers also went the extra mile by adding wheels to this relatively hefty unit for easier maneuverability on the job site, in the workshop, or in the garage. As for the dimensions, the unit measures 28 by 17 by 31 inches while weighing 90 pounds. Despite its great features, one limitation this air compressor has is its short cord, which is only about a couple of feet long. That being said, we suggest using it with an extension cord. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals looking for extra power and airflow in a relatively quiet machine. The third air compressor in our list is the CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. For our budget pick, there simply isn't anything that can come close to the CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor. Sporting a 6-gallon capacity, this portable machine is the ideal choice for travel. It features a 150 maximum pounds per square inch motor to deliver cut-inch pressure for various applications. It also features a durable, oil-free pump that ensures maximum longevity and requires little to no maintenance. Due to its 26 standard cubic feet per minute performance at 90 pounds per square inch, this air compressor ensures quick recovery time for the most demanding days. For added convenience, dual couplers are built into this unit, allowing you to operate 2 tools at once. Best of all, it starts up easily in cold weather, so you won't have to worry about the snow getting in your way. Included in the set are a 25 by 1/4 inch PVC air hose with a coupler and a plug assembled. a tire chuck with plug, a blowgun with plug, a tire gauge, a blowgun with an OSHA safety nozzle, a rubber tip, and 3 inflator adapters. Finally, its core wrap and lightweight build of 32.5 pounds and dimensions of 16.5 by 16.5 by 17.88 inches make maneuverability a walk in the park. One small limitation, however, is that there's a certain smell when you first take it out of the box, so you can opt to open it outside of your house. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for individuals who want the most out of what their budget can get. The second air compressor in our list is the Makita Mac 210Q Quiet Series, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. If you're looking for a well-built and reliable model, then look no further than the Makita Mac 210Q. Under the Quiet Series lineup, this unit delivers according to what its name suggests. Designed to operate at only 60 decibels to ensure operator and crew comfort, the Makita is the ideal choice for use indoors. Running at a lower 1,750 revolutions per minute, this unit results in longer motor and pump life. It also features a 1-horsepower motor and a 2-gallon tank, which makes it great for a variety of pneumatic home tools. For maximum durability, the Mac 210Q features a complete roll cage construction that allows for maximum protection. This means it can withstand the rigors of heavy use on construction sites, in transit, and in storage facilities. To back up the unit's reliability and longevity, it features an oil-free, dual-piston pump designed for maintenance-free operation. And for added convenience, it even has large pressure gauges for easy monitoring and cord-wrap storage to keep things neat and tidy. As for the size, the unit measures 17.52 by 18.31 by 14.76 inches and weighs 45.2 pounds, which makes it a large yet relatively portable unit. There is a limitation to this air compressor though, as it doesn't feature any wheels, so you'll have to carry it around just in case. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who want to spend a bit more on an ever-reliable air compressor. The best air compressor in our list is a DEWALT DXCM271, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Of course, this list won't be complete without a DEWALT air compressor, being one of the most reliable brands in the market. DEWALT is known for its reliability and high performance. That being said, we have the DEWALT DXCM271. This vertical air compressor with a 200 psi maximum pressure features a 27-gallon tank and an oil-free motor that allows for virtually no maintenance. The unit features 5.1 standard cubic feet per minute at 90 pounds per square inch for quick recovery times, which allows for maximum efficiency in the workshop. When set at 6.8 standard cubic feet per minute at 40 pounds per square inch, you'll be able to operate an HVLP spray gun flawlessly. Featuring a high-flow regulator and couplers, it delivers maximum airflow to any tool, allowing it to operate at peak performance. Operating at just 78 decibels, this model allows for less noise in your work area, which makes it 30% quieter than most in its class. As for its design features, the unit is built with a dual-purpose handle for easy maneuverability while providing additional protection to the compressor. In terms of size, the unit measures 54.5 by 26.8 by 23.5 inches and weighs 136 pounds, making it by far the heaviest in today's list. There is one limitation, however, which is that the air tank takes quite a long time to fill up. Performance-wise, though, it works wonders. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for serious individuals who want one of the highest-end air compressors on the market to meet their workshop demands. And there you have it, folks. Our best air compressors, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next air compressor roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.